14 days to get your first wholesale deal. Guys, my name's Rick and today we're going to go the speed route. And a lot of you guys ask me, Rick, how do I get a deal in the next 2 weeks? And I'm just going to focus on, if I only have 14 days, exactly what I'm going to do step by step to get my first wholesale deal. I'm going to show you 4 simple techniques you can employ today. But guys, before I do that, do me a favor, make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, share this video with someone who truly wants to learn the truth about wholesaling. So the first thing we have to understand is the word wholesale. Like, a lot of people truly don't understand what the word wholesaling means. And to truly understand what wholesaling is you have to buy from what we call motivated sellers. And if you don't figure this one out sooner than later, you're just going to waste your time. In fact, I'm here to tell you, the biggest problem wholesalers have is they think they're wholesaling and they're not. They're trying to buy properties from people who just want to sell them, who really technically need realtors. I want you to understand this. A motivated seller is someone that is off market, typically. Occasionally they're not. That's your direct to the seller. Here's the key fundamental difference. They need to sell. Now, let me ask you, do you ever watch the difference between wanting something versus needing something? Let me give you an example. I want a Lamborghini. Do I need a Lamborghini? Absolutely no. I could probably get away with a simple Honda Civic. You understand the differences? I just need a truck to get around to work. Just give me something that's got 4 wheels that's only going to cost me a lot of money. If I want something, it is a wish. It is a desire. It's something I could live without. And my ego has to be talked into it. And that's where salespeople come in. In wholesaling, we're looking for people that actually want to get their property sold fast. And they're going to exchange speed and convenience for equity. That's it. So if I chase people around that just want to sell their house, and I don't focus on people who need to sell their house, I'm just going to waste a crap load of time. And it's just to the point where I'm just going to quit. And this is the biggest problem I see with wholesalers right now. You guys don't know what you're looking for. You're so busy buying people's bells and whistles and crap to look for properties where they don't exist. Guys, if you're going on MLS to solely do wholesaling, you have no idea how this business works. Are there deals on MLS? Yes. When you get experience, you get better at it. But a majority of deals go to MLS to sell for top dollar, who want to sell. People who need to sell need to find someone with cash that will give them the least amount of resistance that they can earn their trust and actually get a deal done. So now that we got that out of the way, we can focus on how to move forward. If you guys aren't looking in the right spot, off-market direct seller need to sell, you're just going to waste your time. So now that you know exactly what we're looking for, you're not going to waste time running around in circles, because what you guys think is there's so many more deals on MLS and stuff. Why mess around with government lists, all that other stuff? Because I got 14 days to get you a deal. Do you think I got 12 months to talk to someone to get a deal? I'm looking for people that are motivated right now. What is that low-hanging fruit that I can get? First and foremost, if you have the chance to do driving for dollars, you're never going to beat this. You just look for ugly houses. Does everybody understand that? Just look for ugly houses. And guys, these are what I call your catch-alls. And what do I mean by catch-alls? You're going to get your probates in here. You're going to get your tax delinquencies in here. You're going to get your code violations in here. You're going to get your foreclosures in here. Why? Because they look ugly. And guys, when they look ugly, it usually wears a bill. Nobody chooses to have an ugly property. Life just gets caught up in that situation. And by doing driving for dollars, I'm going to find probates. I love probates. Most profitable deals you can do. Tax delinquency, one of the highest motivation factors for someone to sell a property. Code violation just means your house is ugly. If you don't fix it, we're basically going to take it away from you and fine you. And a foreclosure, someone bought a house and they just can't make the payment anymore. I get all this just from driving for dollars. And here's the best part is, it's an exclusive list to you only, that you've seen physical evidence that there's something wrong with the property. Now, it's going to take more than just finding them. You're going to have to do some deep research. You're going to have to reach out to the people. But this, in my opinion, guys, driving for dollars, it's hard to beat that one. Coming in at number 2, you guessed it, we're going to do government lists. Now, me and my son have coin phrased this terminology, and here's the government list I want you to go after for it. Tax delinquents. I want you to do code violations. And because we only have 2 weeks, I got to get the lowest hanging fruit. I'm going to do the eviction list for landlords kicking people out. Evictions. Guys, 1, 2, 3. These are very specific types of government lists. Guys, we only have 14 days. I can't be screwing around here. So these are going to be the highest motivation. Probates, just going to take too long. 14 days is unrealistic. I want you to do probates, but it's not part of my 14-day plan. Now, once we do that, you're going to take your tax delinquencies and you're going to take your code violations and you're going to do a thing called reverse driving for dollars. And basically what we do is we put a sticky note on there and it gets us a higher response rate. Rick, what do you put on the sticky note? Hey, got a quick question about your house. Put a name, your virtual phone number, have them call. Curiosity kills the cats. The evictions, we're just going to cold call and we're going to text. Okay. The reason I picked these three, because these are the fastest acting government list you can get. And if you guys can ramp these up, do in your local market, go pick 3 or 4 virtual markets. You are not limited to your local market. I started out doing local wholesaling because it's all we knew. We didn't have the technology. And then I eventually branched off on it. And if you're stuck in a market where the numbers don't work, go to another market. You can easily find it. Number 3, I'm just going to teach you a basic networking one, and it works really well. If I need to get something done fast, you need to get in front of as many people as possible. Now, the government list and the driving for dollars is putting you in front of the motivated sellers. But now we can do some networking and we can find other wholesalers. We can find realtors. We can find hard money people. We can find title companies, anybody that'll help us out. Why? Because I need to get the word out. I need to get speed as fast as possible. First thing I want you to do is go find your local RIA meeting. This is a Real Estate Investors Association. It's a really cool place to meet up here. I'm going to say something a little controversial here, and I just don't care. I think they're wonderful. I had one of my own for a while. It's just, there's only so much you could do at a small local market. They're very fulfilling. But the reality is a lot of speakers come into town and they split the fees with them. And these speakers come in, they sell very high price ticket items and they leave. And I'd rather you work with the local people. I'm just going to be honest, unless it's something specialized, maybe Rick and Zach coming into town. But these RIA meetings, guys, some of my absolute best business partners have been founded there. It's a great spot. Support your local RIAs. It's probably a couple $100 a year to be in it. I strongly advise because I think it's very powerful. You're going to find newbies in there. You're going to find senior people. You're going to find title people. You're going to find real estate investors. I want you to find a title company. I want you to find some new investors. And then I want you to find some seasoned pros. And I'm telling you, in all this, you can find deals. You can help bring buyers to the table. You can help find specialized types of niche markets. Guys, networking will get you everywhere you want to go. One of my most effective ways, I work with realtors for cash buyers, and I did real well. And if I go to one place to meet with 100 people, it's well worth it. And I love going to them. It's actually, what am I crazy? I actually enjoy going to RIAs. I enjoy going out and mixing with people and just having a lot of fun. I strongly suggest you doing it as well too. Coming in number 4, one of my favorite strategies, and you guys have heard me talk about this, I call it the earn and learn. Now, nobody else really teaches this right now, and I've been doing this for 20 plus years. Basically, what I teach you is if you go get an XLeads account, go to xleads.com, okay? Not only do you get the complete all-in-one wholesaling software, you can pull all your lists, you can do all your skip tracing, you can do all your comping, you can run a robust CRM, which is basically our Go High Level platform, which is included in your XLeads account. We have AI automation to follow up on all your lists. And with a basic account, you get between 25,000 and 60,000 leads a month. So you get the quantity you need to be successful in wholesaling. Plus, you get the free e-signing. It's included with it. And if you have one of the more advanced plans, you get the Dispo platform. Guys, if XLeads wasn't already a no-brainer and we just came out with the new skip tracing, it is the highest quality, the highest top performing. And we ask you guys to compare this to any other softwares you use because we already know we have the best data. We pay the most for the data and it is live skip tracing. It's not cache information. Guys, you definitely want to check it out. So say I get an XLeads account, I get 25,000 leads for the basic XLeads account. Guys, let's be brutally honest. If you're not using all 25,000 of those leads, you're leaving money on the table. Maybe you only use 15,000. So that leaves you 10,000 leads to play with. Why don't you go out there and just run a simple ad, get a simple landing page, which you can do all this inside of XLeads. And once you have your WordPress up and running, you have your Kelly's Learn to Earn program. And you find motivated real estate investors that want to learn that don't have any money. This is how I got started. And I'm going to give you 1,000 leads with phone numbers. And what I want you, John, to do is call on those. And when you find a seller that is interested in selling to me, I want you to just patch me on the phone. Just bring me in. Let's go. I want to see what you're made of. I'm only going to give you 1,000. Why? Because John might not even make a phone call. The thing is, what if I had 15 different people doing this? I guarantee 1 or 2 of them will be a home run. And when you do that, you can do a deal with them and I just split it 50-50. I don't care because they're doing the heavy lifting. And this shows you that I understand that marketing is the #1 skill set of any wholesaler, because if I'm willing to give you 50% of a deal, that just shows how important the marketing is. So if you guys understand, if you just have the capability to reach out to people and say you use the Earn and Learn program, and the number 2 is like, well, Rick, how do I do this? It's simple. You You just create 3 or 4 different videos. Each one's a different area on how to go out and find motivated sellers, or you can show them how to sign up for your 1,000 free leads program. And then basically you have a landing page. You can use a Google page. You can use any of it. All this stuff's free, guys, and have them put in the information. And you can be working with hundreds, if not thousands of investors out there that are dying to learn how wholesaling works. And by the way, you can cheat. You can use myfreewholesaling.com. You can train them. I show you the most important parts that you have to do. Remember, these are in essence what we call a bird dog on an earn to learn program. And their job is just to go out and find motivated sellers. Their job is not to negotiate them. Their job's not to sell them. Their job's definitely not to close them. It's just to find them. Think about a bird dog. He just like points. The dog holds still. They go, there's a motivated seller. Your job is now to engage that seller and strike a deal with them. And if you can use theirs, just understand you will go through hundreds of bird dogs, earn and learns, find the winners and work with them, bring them in. These wind up being wonderful acquisitions people. These are people that truly want to earn and they want to learn. They are the greatest combo. But guys, just understand, don't give one person 10,000 leads because a lot of them won't do anything. I limit it to 500 to 1,000 and I go out, find 15, 20, 25 people. And I say, listen, call me back or put it in the form. I'll split it with you 50-50. If it's a $30,000 deal, you can earn $15,000. And that's how I headline it. Earn and learn. Let me show you how to make 15K. All you got to do is help me find the deals, make the phone calls. Guys, earn and learn. Nobody does it. Everyone's so scared of it and I don't understand it. And I swear, if you let me, I would just create your own websites. I would do the training videos, but it has to be you that does it. And guys, this is only a couple hours of effort. And if you'll put in a couple more hours of effort, you can do anything you want in wholesaling. Guys, the Earn and Learn program works really well. So let me just recap this real quick. I got 14 days. Oh, I forgot my favorite was. I'm going to throw you in number 5. This is a no-brainer. You're going to do FSBOs. This is simple. You're going to go on Zillow. You're going to use 2 criteria. You ready? I went on a live the other day. I closed 2 deals. I think it was like 3 or 4 phone calls. It's only because I know exactly what I'm looking for. I'm looking for off-market, direct to seller that needs to sell. Now, a Zillow qualifies for 2 out of these 3. I'm direct to seller and most of them need to sell. Why? Here's my 2 criteria. 90 days plus on market. And then I'm looking for 2 price reduction. Once I find these 2 items, guys, the price reduction shows me the seller's motivation to sell. The more price reduction is, the more they're admitting they made a mistake. They want to get it sold. It's a great sign. And then the 90 days plus, this is what I call letting the market soften the seller, because I can't tell them 3,000 times their price is overpriced, that their property is overpriced. The market has to go through and just pound them. And after they have 3, 4, 500, 600 phone conversations, when you come in that nice conversation on the 91st day and go, listen, John, I noticed your property on 5th Street for sale. What's going on to it? Are you still interested in selling it? It's like, yeah, but I'm getting beat up. I said, John, what's the real issue? They tend to open up with you and have a conversation with you. So guys, in this video, remember, I'm only focusing on 14 days. Can everybody understand? And what's the most important thing in 14 days? It ain't calling a PPL lead. You're going to waste your time. You're going to throw your money out the window. You don't have time for PPC. You've got to find motivated sellers that you're direct to them that need to sell that are off market. Driving for dollars, if you're local, one of the easiest ways to do it. You can use SkyDrive if you do X leads on the SkyDrive. That'll allow you to virtually drive for dollars. Nothing replaces it in person. Number 2, the government list, tax delinquency, code violations, evictions, reverse drive for dollars on tax delinquency, code violations. And then we're going to text and call on the evictions. Why? We're trying to find a landlord that has a vacant house that wants to get rid of it right away. The third one, we want to do networking. Go to your local REIAs, find title companies, new investors, old investors, pros, realtors. Find someone that you can work on a deal with them. This is time sensitive, guys, 14 days. What I love about this is I can quickly find a wholesaler and find out if they could push through this, because anybody can do something in 14 days. If I tell you 6 months, you're going to take your time in 6 months. So everything's based on priority. On number 4, the Earn and Learn program, it's real simple. Create a YouTube channel. It's free. You have a form and you find people to help you call on motivated sellers. You provide the phone numbers. And last but not least, calling on FSBOs. I like Zillows because everything's there. 90 days plus. 2 price reductions to see if the motivation's there. And guys, keep in mind, these are sellers that went from wanting to sell to needing to sell. How do I know they need to sell? Because nobody wants their property on the market for 3 months plus. And when you show 2 price reductions, it just shows your signs of motivation. I actually really want to get rid of this property. Why? It's vacant. I need to move on. The market's beat me up. Guys, we seem like sweethearts when we come in at this point. Try calling them at the very beginning when they list it. They won't even negotiate with you because they're crazy. And if I find the right property with the right distress, I am all over them on these FSBOs. And people ask, how do you and Zach have so much success on doing Zillows on the FSBOs? We know exactly exactly what to look for. Even though we don't pick the markets out, we let a spinner wheel do the whole thing. The whole thing's completely done on random to show you this will work in any market. The question is, will you work it? Guys, use one of these 5 programs. 14 days. I'm telling you, 14 days is exactly what I do. And if I had to drop in your market tomorrow and go, hey, Rick, can you help me out with these challenges? These are the first 5 things we would pick a way through. And I promise you, we would have a contract. We'd have something going in the next 14 days. So guys, if you want to do the 14-day challenge and go and get your first wholesale deal, let me know which of these 5 you're going to do. And as usual, if you got value from this video, do me a favor. Make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share this video with someone who wants to learn the truth about wholesaling. Guys, this is Rick, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.